This is Bryant from Bryant Travel. I'm an American Airlines Business Class going from Seoul, South Korea to Dallas, Fort which is my hometown. So I'm at the very first seat of the American Airlines Business Class. So let me show you what this business class is like. AA business customer in group 1 and first on board. So let's go check out business class and see what it's like. For American Airlines International long flight airplanes, there are two airplanes. One is Boeing 777 and other one is Boeing Dreamliner 787, which is what you see right now. For Dreamliner, there is no first class seat. There are 5 two-people seat in the middle, and each left and right there is a one-person seat, on 5 of them on each left and right. So if you're by yourself, it's best to sit on the side, left and right. But if you're with somebody else, it's best to sit in the middle. So there are plenty of seats in business class. So also there's a lot of space for each seat. So also there's a lot of plenty of legroom, which is awesome. Also you'll be surprised to find there's a lot of storage to store all kind of your stuff, which is great. Oh yeah, and then it goes to full bed. So if you like to sleep, that's great. So I would give this 4.5 out of 5 for seat. So today, technology inside the plane is almost essential. So you should be glad to find out that AA really put into consideration to build in all kind of technology into this airplane. So I already gives this technology 5 out of 5. I can see that AA kind of cut down the cost of a headset and pillow by providing the minimum, so I already give 3 out of 5. Check out the amenity kit. It used to be that American Airlines used to provide one from the core hands, but they changed it to this is ground. So I think the quality kind of went down a little bit. It has all the essential stuff, but it's nothing special. So I would give amenity kit score 3 out of 5. So previously, I took a look at entertainment system from different airlines like Ethiopian Airlines, United Airlines, and Korean Airlines. But I think American Airlines, the entertainment system is the best. It works and is intuitive. They have all kind of great movie selections, and you can control with the touch screen, but you can also control with the remote control, and it works really well. So, and also they have different kind of movies and the live television show, which is great. And then so there's all kind of entertainment option is available. And there are good amount of games as well as there's a lot of music selection. So I would give entertainment 5 out of 5 for this reason. So before actually jumping into in-flight dining, let's check out their American Airlines dining menu. So if you're flying into non-English speaking country, you'll be glad to find out that it's fully translated into local language as well as English is available. So it's full course menu. There's a starter, there's a main entry and dessert, all kinds of options available, so which is good. The welcome message is also translated as well into local language. It's good. Beverage option is not fully translated, but I guess everyone can figure out what kind of drink they want to get. So it used to be that American Airlines used to offer wine flight and champagne flight, believe it or not, but it's not no longer available. So menu presentation, I would give it 4 out of 5 for this reason. Snack they provide is pretty simple. It's a warm nuts and then any drink of your choice. So I would just give an average score of a 3 out of 5 for this reason. Now we are getting to something really interesting. Here's a starter, appetizer. It's just amazing. The presentation looks great, it tastes great, temperature is just perfect, and then just definitely get a perfect score from me. So I just finished my starter, appetizer, which was turnip, vegetable roll, and also an entire salad. It was a lot, but I'm just getting started. Main entries is coming, and then yeah, it's gonna be a lot of food. So here it is, actual main entry in-flight dining menu for American Airlines. I got the bibimbap, which is Korean option, which tastes great, but the presentation is quite simple. I think I have too much expectation after getting starter. So, but that's just right portion and then tastes pretty great. And then I think that's good, but it's not the accident. So I got bibimbap, which is one of the 4 options available, is a Korean food option, so it was great. And the plate is great, and the setting is great. I think just right portion is just great, so it's good. For dessert, you could choose from 3 different options. I got sundae, which tastes pretty good, but it's just so kind of simple. So I just finished dessert, and it was a sundae. It was good. I think I'd try with the pork wine, which is dessert wine, so it was awesome. So I guess I'm gonna take a little nap afterward, but after that it's gonna be an hour about live, another meal, live meal available. So see you soon. So light meal before arrival, I would just say this is excellent. I love the plating and it tastes great, so I would give it 5 out of 5 for this reason. Perfect score. So for overall, I would give a business class 4.5 out of 5. Not quite perfect, but probably the best business class I've been so far. That's it for my American Airlines Business Class review. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to see other videos as I travel around the world. Thank you and see you next time.